Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So ADA has still not made that one more low that I would ideally like to see in this wave pattern. It just would make sense to get it just from how the structure looks like. By the way, we're looking at this first of all from a bullish point of view, which I don't think is very likely. I'm not convinced, but there could be short-term upside potential, and we will make one more low afterwards. And then we take a look at the imminent sell-off count as well. So there are charts at the moment that give us a decent short-term, at least short-term bullish outlook. For example, Ethereum, even Bitcoin, right? Just as an example. ADA doesn't really. There is a possibility here to count it bullish. Yeah, this one as a leading diagonal. And then here, as already explained in the last video, as an A, B, C pattern. But the C wave would be a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one more leg down would be ideally missing. The problem with that is if we get one more leg down, we are most likely going to break the 30-cent level. And that is also the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement of the wave 1. And that typically is not really good in terms of a bullish outlook if you break that, right? Yes, surely we could find support here at the 88.7% Fib level at 29.8 cents. That's fine, but it would come down quite a lot. And if you compare the move up with the move down looks far more impulsive than the move up. So the move down looks much more like into the trend direction, right? Therefore, I'm really skeptical about this bullish count, but I can't rule it out. As long as we're holding here the 30-cent level especially, we can focus, well, we can't focus on higher, but upside potential is possible, and we are now deep in support. So anywhere here, it should turn around or it will lose support and will break down and make a new low. And we talk about targets in a minute. The way this would look like is a 1 up, a 2 down. The next wave up would be a wave 3. Target for that would be roughly the 34-35 cent range. Signal that indeed we are going higher would be a break above the wave 1 low here that we had here on the 26th of November. That would be at 31 cents, breaking above that, or 31.1 cent. Breaking above that would indicate we are already moving up, maybe without making one more low. A better indication would be a break above the wave 2 high of 32 cents, okay? And then obviously we break, next breakout point would be 32.3, and then a very important resistance level is the 33.2 cent level. What is the bearish count? The bearish count is this yellow count here that I showed you in the previous video as well, where we're saying this move down was actually, yes, it was a 5-wave move, but it was actually a wave 1 only of a larger impulse to the downside. We're doing here, and this makes sense the way it looks, we're just doing here a corrective move up at the moment, okay? And we're coming down quite impulsive in a wave 3. So if we say, okay, this was a wave 1, this was a wave 2, then target for the third wave is around 26 cents, and target for the fifth wave is around 22 cents. So that is sort of at the moment what the chart suggests for a bearish outcome, which I'm in favor of because the chart just hasn't yet shown really, really bullish potential. Not since the last low has been made. This is not really any impulsive structure here. So I have to focus more on the downside. I am observing short-term upside potential, but that doesn't mean that it has to be the primary expectation. Yeah, I'm actually focusing more here on the downside. Yeah, I don't think this move is over yet to the downside. Yeah, and if it is, then what I would like to see is those 5 waves to the upside as complete, and then the retracement, which is going to follow, would then be a suitable entry point. Okay, that's my update about ADA. Bear in mind, we recently launched our own stake pool, the More Crypto Online ADA stake pool. If you like to support More Crypto Online as a channel, and if you like to earn ADA rewards, passive ADA rewards by delegating your ADA to a Cardano stake pool run by More Crypto Online, then feel free to check out the links in the video description. There's 2 videos to explain how you can actually delegate to the MCO stake pool, and one link leads you directly to the pool. It's a very young pool, only 2 weeks old, so we haven't generated any rewards yet. Normally it takes some weeks to do that. We've grown incredibly fast already, so we already have the minimum ADA delegated that we need to generate rewards. So we'll know in 1 or 2 epochs if we're actually generating rewards already. But the more people are delegating their ADA, the faster it will be for us to generate rewards, which is fantastic. We now have over 100 delegators as well, which is amazing, and we're growing day by day. So if you like to support more crypto online, then feel free to delegate as well. And other than that, hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.